What does she do every morning?
She drinks a cup of tea.
Where does he go after school?
He goes to the playground.
What do they usually eat for breakfast?
They eat bread and eggs.
Where does this bus go?
It goes to the city center.
What makes her happy?
Music makes her happy.
What helps you study better?
A quiet place helps me study better.
What brings them joy?
Spending time together brings them joy.
Who teaches your class?
Mr. Ali teaches our class.
When does she wake up?
She wakes up at 6 o'clock.
How does he travel to work?
He travels by bike.
What does your brother like to watch?
He likes to watch football.
Where do your parents live?
They live in Karachi.
What do these students want to learn?
They want to learn English.
How does your mother cook rice?
She cooks it with salt and butter.
What makes his phone special?
It has a great camera.
What do your friends talk about?
They talk about movies and games.
When does your office open?
It opens at 9 in the morning.
What brings peace to your mind?
Reading books brings peace to my mind.
Where does the teacher keep her bag?
She keeps it on the desk.
What does your father read every day?
He reads the newspaper.
What makes them laugh?
Funny videos make them laugh.
Where do cats like to sleep?
They like to sleep on soft beds.
What helps you relax after work?
Listening to music helps me relax.
Where does your sister study?
She studies at a private school.
What brings you confidence?
Practicing English brings me confidence.
What makes this movie interesting?
Its story makes it interesting.
What does your cousin enjoy doing?
He enjoys painting.
Where do these children play?
They play in the park.
What does your friend want to buy?
He wants to buy a new phone.
What keeps you motivated?
My goals keep me motivated.
Who cooks dinner at your home?
My mother cooks dinner.
What does this word mean?
It means beautiful.
How does your teacher explain lessons?
She explains them clearly.
What brings you joy on weekends?
Spending time with family brings me joy.
Where does your uncle work?
He works at a bank.
What makes children excited?
Gifts make children excited.
How does your friend spend free time?
He spends it reading books.
What helps them stay healthy?
Exercise helps them stay healthy.
What makes your city famous?
Its food makes it famous.
Where do these dogs live?
They live near the market.
What helps her sleep well?
Calm music helps her sleep well.
What does your brother fix at home?
He fixes broken chairs.
What do these shops sell?
They sell clothes and shoes.
What keeps you busy these days?
My work keeps me busy.
What does your aunt bring from abroad?
She brings chocolates.
Where does your cousin go every evening?
He goes to the gym.
What brings them together?
Love brings them together.
What does your friend study at university?
He studies computer science.
How does your mother decorate the house?
She decorates it with flowers.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies.
What does this machine do?
It makes coffee.
What makes your friend angry?
Rude behavior makes him angry.
What helps you remember new words?
Writing them down helps me remember.
What do your grandparents love to do?
They love to tell stories.
What makes this book special?
Its message makes it special.
What helps students learn faster?
Practice helps them learn faster.
What does your boss expect from you?
He expects good work.
Where does this road lead?
It leads to the beach.
What do these kids want to play?
They want to play cricket.
What helps you stay positive?
Thinking good thoughts helps me stay positive.
What makes your friend smile?
A kind word makes her smile.
What brings calmness to your life?
Meditation brings calmness.
Where does your friend live?
He lives near the park.
What keeps them awake at night?
Stress keeps them awake.
What makes this place beautiful?
The mountains make it beautiful.
What do your classmates discuss?
They discuss homework.
What helps you wake up early?
An alarm helps me wake up.
What brings joy to children?
Playing games brings joy to children.
What makes your teacher proud?
Hardworking students make her proud.
What does your father drive?
He drives a car.
What does this animal eat?
It eats grass.
What makes them feel tired?
Working all day makes them tired.
What keeps your house clean?
Daily cleaning keeps it clean.
What helps you learn faster?
Practice helps me learn faster.
What does your friend bring to school?
He brings his lunch.
What makes this room bright?
The big windows make it bright.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a jacket.
What keeps your family strong?
Love keeps my family strong.
What helps your brother focus?
Silence helps him focus.
What brings your mother peace?
Prayer brings her peace.
What makes your neighbor friendly?
His kind heart makes him friendly.
What does your friend plan for the weekend?
He plans a picnic.
What helps you stay fit?
Jogging helps me stay fit.
What do your parents enjoy watching?
They enjoy watching dramas.
What makes your day complete?
A smile makes my day complete.
What brings you comfort?
A warm blanket brings me comfort.
What does your teacher write on the board?
She writes grammar rules.
What keeps you going?
Hope keeps me going.
What makes your sister laugh?
Funny jokes make her laugh.
What brings happiness to your friends?
Success brings them happiness.
What helps you improve English?
Daily speaking helps me improve.
What does your pet like to eat?
It likes to eat fish.
What makes the morning fresh?
Cool air makes it fresh.
What brings color to life?
Love brings color to life.
What makes your job interesting?
Meeting new people makes it interesting.
What does your boss appreciate?
He appreciates honesty.
What helps your mind stay sharp?
Reading helps my mind stay sharp.
What brings laughter to your home?
Funny stories bring laughter.
What makes your heart happy?
Helping others makes my heart happy.